Hi guys, welcome to Nene Math. It's me, Nene, and today we are going to continue our algebra lesson on finding the slope on a coordinate plane. You might be wondering, what is slope, how do we use it, and what's it for? So I'm going to, before we solve this question, I'm going to write the formula for slope. And slope is a measure on a line's steepness and the direction of a line. So our formula is going to be y2 minus y1 over, or you can say divided by, x2 minus x1. And you may be wondering, what is all of these numbers? What are we going to use them for? So I'm going to walk you through using this formula by looking at the coordinate plane below. So as you can see, we have these 2 points, and you can draw a triangle, a right triangle, and this vertical line of the triangle, we are going to call this our rise. Our rise basically represents our y coordinates on the coordinate plane, and our run, which is the horizontal line, represents our x coordinates on the coordinate plane. So I'm going to break down these points. Our first point is going to be 2, 3, goes over 2 and up 3. And our second point is going to be 4, negative 4. And this is because you go right 4 and down 4, so it would be 4, negative 4. And now that we have our points broken down, all we're going to have to do is look at this formula right here. Our formula can also be called rise over run, another easier way to memorize it, since rise is our y coordinates and run is our x coordinates. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring those points and write it on the left hand corner. So 3 and negative 4 are our y coordinates, and 2 and 4 are our x coordinates. So y2 minus y1, y2 is going to be negative 4 since it is our second y coordinate. Y1 is going to be 3 since it is our first coordinate, y coordinate. So we have negative 4 minus 3. Our second x coordinate is going to be 4, and our first x coordinate is going to be 2. So we have 4 minus 2. So now all we have to do is simplify this, and we have negative 7 over 2. And that equals negative 3 and 1/2. Or if you want to write it in decimal form, that's what I'm going to do. You can also say negative 3.5. So that is our final answer for the slope of this problem. I hope you enjoyed my video, and stay tuned for more. Bye!